looking out 5 to 10 years, where do you see IAQ moving?
Our view of the future is that COVID is going to precipitate this new paradigm, this new imperative around achieving sustainable and resilient indoor air quality. And by sustainable, we mean energy efficient, cost effective, durable indoor air quality. And resilient is a reference to needing to be able to adapt to and respond to situations where the outside air is not clean. There's a reset standard. ASHRAE is in the process now of defining indoor air quality metrics in a way they haven't before. So we've got lots of references we can use, but start with those. Then add these air cleaning technologies, MERV, HEPA, different technologies, sorbent ventilation technology as we offer to clean as much of the air as you can. Then finally use that performance-based ventilation design standard to figure out, okay, on top of the air cleaning we have, what do we need in terms of ventilation? Not only balance the building, but make sure we achieve those indoor air quality targets. And then add that last piece, add that piece around monitoring and assurance. I think it allows us to deliver healthy spaces and do it energy efficiently.